All right, so we are actually going to try out, actually Jonathan's going to demonstrate it. He has got a dent puller from Temu. So we're going to try to pop a couple dents out of this Odyssey and see how good it works. So this is like a half-assed product review. All right, Jonathan's going to get set up on this dent here. I see the dent before, yeah. It's better than it was.
I think it might have. I think if I go up here, maybe now. Try get it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it is a little.
It's got a little bitty divot, but not much. I mean, that thing was big. Now it's down to just that little bit. Yeah, that looks way better.
Oh yeah, now if I had one of my little glue-ons,
yeah,
you
pop it right out. Now it's just a little bitty baby like door dent.
Yeah. I'm gonna try that one.
Yeah.
That one.
So this is probably the biggest one. Yeah, let's give that a shot.
I think we can get that out quite a bit.
I don't think that's some big come right out.
Dude, did you see it?
I've seen it.
Dude, it already.
It's already
quite a bit. I'm gonna give her another go.
Yeah, try it.
Oh.
I don't know if you get it. You got a body crease right there, so I don't know how good a.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I mean it ain't damaging the paint or nothing.
That is better.
Yeah. Way better than it was.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
Dude, I love this thing.
Let's just try that. We'll hit that one right there. It's a little one. Yeah. Let's see what it does on a little one. Dude.
Way better. I mean, I can't really see that one now.
No, I can't see that one at all. That's in, so this was
Temu, guys.
Yeah, so what did you end up what'd you pay for that off Temu?
Less than 20 bucks.
No shit, less than $20. I mean, for 20 bucks.
Dude, you can't beat it.
Yeah, I mean, damn. That's yeah. It's crazy it's less than 20 bucks and it does that good of a job. I mean, hell, that looks way better than it did. All right, nothing like forgetting to shoot an outro. Doesn't work too bad. I'm actually pretty impressed. I may pick up some Temu stuff and try it out. I know there's been a couple channels that have, but for 20 bucks, it does a pretty decent job. I'm going to try to do a few more of these. I'm actually going to review some camera equipment here shortly, this new GoPro setup of mine. I'm going to talk about some pros and cons versus using my 15 Pro Max. It may be a pretty cool video. I'm thinking about shooting it here soon. Again, thanks for tuning in. I'll have another one together soon. I'll see you then.